ISO, we on the go, yeah, you ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me. Don't petty me, keep that same energy. You ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me. Don't petty me, keep that same energy, yeah.
We was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin'. Popped up in the max, now we flooring in the fallin'. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring. Did a pop-up shop and now we open up a store, yeah. Keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stalling. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit. Used to tell myself, now I'm wildin', can't afford it. We was in the stool every week, kept recording. Wrote this whole verse while I'm sitting on the toilet. Fly out to New Orleans, won't be back until the morning. Money was a shortage, we was feeling corny. All I really wanted was help grandma pay the mortgage. Loading up the vault till we had to pay for storage. Knew the work we put in would pay off and be rewarded. Yeah, and now we on it.
What's up, fam? It's Gene, aka RMS Turbo Inlet, and welcome to my channel. Guys, super excited. We are finally gonna get that clear engine cover installed today. Had so much other stuff I had to do first, but this is the clear engine cover from Matt from Porsche Mod Squad. Absolutely stunning. So right now it's just a white plastic that's protecting the polycarbonate, so I'll peel that off once I get it in. Love this design, guys. I'm so glad I went with this blue, and it's got that gold yellow striping that goes really well with the Gimbal roll cage. Looks absolutely stunning. What do you guys think? Quality is on point. I mentioned in my last video how everything here is cut out perfect. There's no jagged edges. Everything is smooth and rolled over. All the lines are going in the same direction. It's not crooked, slanted, or anything like that. And this is just the beauty board, guys. So if I flip it over, here's what the underside looks like. We're very transparent and showing you guys what you'll be getting. And here is the polycarbonate. And he's got right here top side, so I know which direction. All the holes have been pre-drilled. And pretty much once I get this installed, then you can remove this plastic piece. Okay, so there is a plastic cover on the bottom itself as well. So before I slide this in, I'll have to remove that. And here's what it would look like if you went with a carpet. And this is OEM from Porsche. This is black. But like I mentioned, we can use whatever carpet color your car comes with, so we just need the code for that. So the carpet will actually be glued to the polycarbonate. Don't worry about these hard edges. You won't see that. It's just floating right now, but just wanted to point that out in case you guys see these jagged edges. You won't even see that once everything is glued down. But he just sent this to me for a sample to show you guys that he can do this for the guys that want to have carpet instead. And actually, guys, it looks pretty clean. I really like the carpet look. Now everything will be complete. All right, so this is the middle piece, which we call the platform. And you can see it's already got the door edging. So that way when the polycarbonate sits right on top, it'll give it a nice tight seal. And included are all the brackets that are needed, as well as all the black hardware and push pins. And also included in mine is this LED kit that Matt gave to me. This one will also light up all the various colors. I'm probably gonna set it for white and blue, or just blue, maybe just white, I'm not sure. I'm gonna see what it looks like, but it is all controlled on a phone app. No hard wiring at all into the battery. All I need to do is get a USB extender to run the line all the way to the cigarette lighter. And then everything will be controlled on my phone, which makes it pretty simple. Now, if you guys do want Matt to supply you guys the same LED kit, just let him know and he'll add that as an option. Very simple, you guys. I mean, isn't that what we want? Is something very simplified to do, nothing too complicated. You won't be drilling any new holes or anything. Everything retains the factory mounting locations. And it is reversible, so if you guys ever want to put it back to factory in case you decide you guys are going to sell it, you can. All right, tell me what you guys think. But what's going to save me a lot of time is because we already removed the engine cover when Matt was here, so I never put anything back other than just to cover things up. I don't have to remove the roll bars, which is great. But I just went in here and just cleaned everything up. Also, fam, any of you Porsche owners with the 718 or 981, if you're interested in getting this cover done, please reach out to me, or you can actually reach out to Matt as well. Just send us a message, tell us how you would like to have it done. Pretty much if you want to keep it OEM, he can make it with the OEM Porsche carpet, so that's a good option. Actually, I've got the black carpet, so once I get this installed, I'm going to show you guys what it would look like with the black carpet or whatever color carpet your interior comes with. That is an option you can do, or if you guys have any other ideas, let us know. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get to work.
Alright, so Dama, yo, 30 in the clip, drop 100 on the zip. All I see is blue faces, you would thought I was a. I don't say a word, got my fingers to my lip. Yeah, and I don't never trip, all I do is take trips. I just knew I was the man ever since I was a jit. Shorty got them double D's, I'm tryna see it. Make $1 million while I'm young and still RP nip. Came up with a plan and we sticking to the script. Break that thing down, double back and make a flip. Can't show the whole thing, y'all can only get a snip. You ain't gotta wait up on me on my you could dip. Every album that we drop, they know it's fire, no skip. See us in person, yeah, and now they wanna pick. Yeah, it's ISO forever, they ain't what I click. All this weight up on my shoulder and I ate it like a chip. Talking about drip, but they really unfit. Yeah. I don't care how much you pay for your fit, you not lit. Nah. Shorty told me put it in, but I said it can't fit.
60 off a parlay, would've thought I was a roller. Jean pockets full in a Jersey Villanova. Do this for my blood, they won't let you till it's over. They keep watching numbers, got them betting under over. 19 was a good year, like my name was Barbosa. Keep you up the speed, gotta bring the car closer. Do this in one take, what the f is start over? Yo, what the f is that? That sound foreign like we out in Monte Cristo. Came from copping deli food, I was young on Bristol. Too much monkey in the middle, that get you sizzle. Fry eye, dry cry tissue.
Life is what you making, I've been living blissful. Put you in a shirt just to make your mama miss you. Slept with 2 girls and they both named Crystal. How the f you judging like you know what I've been through?
Tell them bang the gavel cause I'm stunting like I'm meant to. 2 fingers locked in, yeah you know just what I'm into. Gotta pay up cause you know them times been due. That's my brother conscious to the, yo continue.
Yeah. I don't care how much you pay for your fit, you not lit. Nah. Shorty told me put it in, but I said it can't fit. Yeah, dirty money getting made, gotta do a legit. Yeah, I sold this forever, they just mad we won't quit. Yeah. Yeah. Dose. Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs and we walk in the building. We getting money, yeah, they think that we dealing. They talking hot, yeah, f they opponents. And we won't stop till we all touch $1 million. Don't ever forget, but we probably forgive them. I'm living, taking the cause that was given. My blessings is already written. Wrapped it a ribbon, putting ourselves in positions to making some major decisions. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Look, I'm trying to get where I'm going, but haters be trolling, that's where they thinking you got me right where you want me. I tell a ghost just ducked up. Sending them shots, we send them back. Y'all ain't really bout that. Run, it's always bounce back. Need more hands just to count that. Stay on my belly, I need me more breeze just so we can get the team right. Loaded up fully, dogs on a leash, and you be knowing that's a scary sight. gap. They want us to rap, so fuck we back. Hey, yeah. Drew need a plaque, we turn to the max and we never lacked. Hey, yeah. Been in my bag, it's a drag, I'm feeling jet lagged. Hey, yeah. Came back for Vicky and I ain't unpacked, cause I'm going back. Facts, ooh, double the racks. TD the bank, your CD's blank. Your Cuban is link, smoking that dank. Pour up a drink, fill up the tank. Do you think I ain't the one, but I'm the one? Who does I who? He gon' dumb, you hear them drums. Came from the slums, they know we the ones, yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it a buck, I don't fuck with you.
I'm back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle.
And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, yeah, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow.
Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything been Gucci, got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche.
Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson face, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to Vizzy. At the Millies, out on Club Hurst. Give the word if it's a city, Lord forgive me. Still having motion, dog, so why would I slow it? Make it rain on them, bust a band, then you throw it. We was steady having it, even at our lowest. High speed road runner, keep my motor going.
Hey, hey, people feel away, but they don't show it. Gotta watch the people that's around you, that you grow it. They be coming around you with some plans to steal your moment. Soon as I she be like, baby, where you going? Never slowing down, it's enough to go around. Yeah, you probably knew it's then, but really you don't know it's now. Blood is show and tell, but all my know me well. It was either chase a dream or go to jail, but none of us ain't going
back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, yeah, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow,
Take a look, guys. Absolutely amazing. Quality is on point. Just the amount of time and effort in the way he designed this. I mean, I would never have come up with something like this. These are people who think outside the box and already picture it. I can do that on certain things, but something like this, when he first showed me, I immediately knew I wanted this in my Cayman. I only want the best. It just goes so well with the gold roll cage, and the tartan material actually feels amazing. Matches well with the interior seats. And the shift boot. So guys, if you guys are interested in maybe getting yours done, I'll post all of his information in the description below. But his name is Matt from Porsche Mod Squad, and he does amazing work, guys. Alright, I hope you guys like the way that turned out. I have a couple more things I'm going to have Matt from Porsche Mod Squad do. And one of the things I'm going to have him do are the sealed enclosures for my audio system. I will be putting 2 8s in the back just like his. Stay tuned for that video. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you guys are enjoying all the videos I'm putting out. It does take a lot of time and effort. So if you guys can do me a favor and hit that follow at the bottom below. Guys, if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Hit those post notifications. That way every time I drop my videos, you guys will be notified. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, please post them below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at LS Turbo Integ. Alright fam, until the next video, peace.